side of the story. Throw me a rope here, I've drifted way too far. I see it sometimes behind those cunning eyes. I see it sometimes